Hello, loves. Welcome to UniekMakes by Cristina. I am excited. I put an order at My Creative Time. I love their dies, their die cuts, their stamps, their paper pads. They're actually for their April release is amazing. If you haven't seen it, I will put the link below so you go ahead and check it out. But wait till you see what their April release was. Look at this little pile of goodies. So let me go ahead and show you what I bought or what is in the April release, because like I said, I did buy all of it, and I will be making projects with all of these. Now this one here is the scallop topper die. Okay, I will put a picture. Well, I will put a picture of what it looks like. This is actually a topper, and it does have like the cardstock backing to it. So what you do is you cut the outer piece, and then it's going to fold. So this is the topper part, and this is the backing. So when you fold it, it'll be almost like you have something there, and then you fold it over. Okay, and this, of course, your little scallop design, and you could decorate the middle. So that was that one. And here goes the little item number in case you wanted to search it. But this is a really cute one. Now, when I love balloons, look at this. This one is the shaker scallop balloon die. You get 3 different types of balloons. And then look at all the little sizes that you can cut into. It even comes with the strings. So yeah, I saw this. OMG, I had to have it. So yeah, love that. Now this one here, I got this. Well, it goes with the whole theme. But if you bought the Case Crafts has, no, not Case Crafts, the KLUP, believe that what it is. They had Carnival dies that came out last year. I really like because you could intertwine this with that. And then look at this. They also have a ticket booth die, and it goes a number there. Actually, let me show you the number to the balloon, which is that one. And then here's a number to the ticket booth. Now I will put links below if this is still available, because I know stuff does go out of stock. And then you could, if you search their design team, they all have little codes that you can save some money on there also. But yeah, this is a ticket booth, so you got your main ticket here. You do have the little lines for the top, and then you do have the little, what do you call it, little topper thingy, to cover the window. So you have those there. I don't know what it's called. I went to blink. And you do get your little booth area, so you can put a character behind the booth, and you got the ticket signs. How cute is that? Love it. Now the next one here is a ticket tag, and OMG, look at that. They even got the UPC at the bottom, and then look at the little hearts in the little corners. Real nice. And this does, I think, 1, 2, 3 different sizes. Well, actually 4, because that's the smallest. But yeah, love that. And then there's the number, in case I didn't show it. And then the next thing that comes in this release is the Let's the Fun Begin stamp and die. And it goes with the little number. And this, I love their sentiments, because they all come with, most of them I believe come with the coordinating die. But then, of course, I don't have my glasses on. Well, here, let me show you what the sentiments are. Look at that. Love, love, love. Yes, like that one's have a roaring good birthday. Happy, happy birthday. So yeah, they got a lot of cuteness with this. But like I said, I love that it comes with the coordinating die. So the next one, let me show you the paper pad. Look at the paper pad. How cute is that? It's all pastel. Let me show you this one. Oh, the paper pad is called Pastel Party, and there goes a little number so you can search it. And like I said, if it is out of stock, they will restock it. Just give it some time, but do the email so that you could be notified when it's back in stock. But look at that, and their paper is really good quality. But you do have the pinks. And the back is the other color. Look at that. There's a wood grain, and then you got the polka dot. And then you do get, let's see, how many of each? 5? Or is it 4? So you get four each? Yeah. So it comes in the pink, and then you got the pink wood grain. And then you got the light reddish. With the light red wood grain. Love that. And then we got the green, the mint. And then you got the wood grain in the back. And then you got the green in the front. And then you got like I want to say like a grayish blue. You got that one. And then the wood grain. Oh wow, look at that. It has a little bit of mint color in it. It's actually pretty. And these are actually like the writing sentiments. So you get the orange that side, and then you get the wood grain there. That side. Love these. These are actually really, really nice. This is like the gray and browns. A little bit of hint of yellowish. Oops, let me show you the back. Love that. Real nice. So that is actually a real nice paper kit. And then let me show you the star of this collection. It's the die cuts. I ordered 2 of them. I will be ordering some more, but wait till I show you the die cuts. The die cuts are beautiful, especially if you like the pastel colors. Let me show you this first. And here. Wait till you see this. So they got little cotton candy. Now what I love about this is they come in different sizes, different shapes. So you might have it in small and then have it in a bigger piece. But how cute is that? Look at that. Look at that cuteness. I do want to do a disclaimer. If you're scared of clowns, don't watch this. But he's a cute clown, so you shouldn't mind it too much. But look at that. You get those ones. How beautiful are those. I love it. Love, love, love. And then you do get, look at that. That's real nice. Love that. And see, this one has a bigger popcorn. And it has a smaller one. So you get the big and little. Love that. You got the little jester. And more of the little boy and girl on the ice cream. So this is a really good kit. Look at that. Oh, look at the horse, the carousel, the little lion. I mean the tiger. Look at that. Love, love, love. The little lion and the tamer. You got the fortune teller. And you get a few of them. Should I say the little tiger, not a lion? Look at that. Yeah, this is a really nice kit. This is a great release. Now, sometimes I'll buy some stuff from um, my creative time, the dies, and then sometimes I'll get some of their die cuts. But this is my favorite. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful die. But yeah, that is the my creative time April release. They do have a hop that was going around, so you want to check those out because the design team does have a code that you could save. I believe it was 10%. But yeah, I love, 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 love this release. So let me know in the comments below what is your favorites. Mine is the die cuts. I love the die cuts. Let me know if you bought this release. What's your favorite? I will leave the links below in case you want to order it for yourself. And like I said, check out their design team. They do have a little code that they have. But yeah, make sure you like the video. I'm going to be doing projects with this and showing them. So I'll show you what I make. Hit the notification so you know when I do upload those videos. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.